Have you ever left a meeting thinking, I should have said that, but you didn't because you didn't want to sound rude? Or you agreed to something you didn't have time for just to avoid looking difficult? If the answer to any of these questions is yes, you are not alone. So many smart, capable professionals are exhausted not by their work, but by the constant pressure to be liked. And here's the truth that no one says out loud. You're not paid to be likable. You are paid to deliver work. And I see this pattern consistently in my coaching sessions and leadership workshops. People hold back feedback. They take on too much. They avoid tough conversations, not because they don't know better, but because they're afraid of being disliked. And that fear, it's very expensive. It costs you your clarity. It costs you your ability to lead with strength. You end up overcommitted, under-recognized, and quietly frustrated. Because deep down, you know you are doing more than you should actually be doing and less than what you are capable of doing. But here's what I want you to hear. You can still be respectful without being agreeable. You can still be kind without saying yes to everything. And the moment you stop chasing approval, everything flips, everything changes. You gain time, you gain energy, you gain the respect of people who may not always agree with you, but who always trust you. Because the professionals who grow the fastest are not the ones everyone likes. They are the ones who are clear, direct, and dependable, even when it's uncomfortable. So get used to being misunderstood. Get used to not being everyone's favorite, because leadership, growth, and clarity don't come from being liked, they come from being real. So what's that one thing you have been holding back on just to protect your image? Drop it in the comments down below. And if this message gave you the permission you needed, like this video and share it with someone who's been living under the pressure to please other people.